Hi, I'm Wade from Confluent. In this course, I'm going to show you how to create a simple set of microservices using the C#.NET client for Kafka. Each Kafka client potentially behaves a little differently from the others. If we try to build an application using the .NET client, but we base it on an example from Java, the end result may not be what we expect. We could end up with some severe problems such as message loss. It's important that we take the time to understand how to use the language-specific client so we can avoid these problems. But don't worry, by the end of this course, you will know how to build a fully functioning set of microservices with strong messaging guarantees. We'll start the course by talking about event streaming. What is it and why should we care? From there, we move on to producing some messages from a simple ASP.NET microservice into Kafka. We'll also implement a second microservice that will consume those messages as they arrive. Along the way, we'll be looking at how to serialize messages and tie them to a schema. Critically, we'll be taking a deeper look at message delivery guarantees and transactions so that you can be confident that your messages behave the way you expect. The course will introduce you to the Kafka.NET client through a series of hands-on exercises. These exercises will allow you to produce and consume data through Confluent Cloud. If you haven't already signed up for Confluent Cloud, sign up now so when your first exercise asks you to log in, you're ready. Be sure to use the promo code when signing up to get the free usage that it provides. If you aren't already on Confluent Developer, head there now using the link in the video description to access the rest of this course and its hands-on exercises.